Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in FreeCAD. Okay, let's start. Create new document. Create a new body. Create a new sketch. Then we select XY plane. We first need to create the circle feature. Create a circle. Dimension 50. Leave the sketch. Then we pipe dimension 32. Okay. Next, we create this pad. Create new sketch. Select XY plane. Then we create a rectangle. Constraint symmetrical. Delete constraint 7. Delete. Dimension 40. Length 17.6. Okay, leave the sketch. Then we pipe 25. Pipe 25. Okay. Next, we create this pocket feature. Create a new sketch. Select XY plane. External geometry. Double click. Select this circle as a reference. View sketch. Create arc. Create two lines. External geometry. Select this edge. Close the sketch. Create a point. Constraint onto the line. Here, 2 points. Onto line. Dimension 2.6. Fillet. Fillet. Constraint 2 arc equal. Radius 6 mm. Constraint symmetrical. Delete constraint 6. Okay. The sketch is falling constraint. We leave the sketch. Then we pocket. Dimension tab. 2 dimensions. 60. The second length is 25 minus 10. 50. Minus 50. Okay. Next, we create this hole. Create new sketch. Select XY plane. View sketching. First, create a circle. Then create a rectangle. Constraint symmetrical. Delete. Constraint 6. Delete. Diameter 8 millimeter. Create a point on the arc circle. Concentrate onto the line. .35. Okay, leave the sketch. Then we pocket. Dimension tab through all. Direction reversed. Okay. Next, we create two holes. Create new sketch. Select XY plane. View sketching. Create two holes. Constraint equal. Diameter 10 millimeter. $80. External geometry this edge. Leave the sketch. Then we pocket. Dimension tab through all. Direction reversed. Okay. Okay, we finished the part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.